Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, I'll show you how to unlock a selection in Microsoft Word. If you're trying to edit a Word document but certain parts are locked or restricted, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. If the document is marked as final, it's locked for editing. To fix this, go to the File tab. Click Info. Look for a yellow banner that says, "This document is marked as final. Click Edit Anyway," or uncheck Mark as Final. And that's it. You now know how to unlock a selection in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more quick tips and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.